Here we will see how we conduct a chi-square goodness of fit test using the StatText program. So the first step is to go to www.stattext.com. And then we simply follow the on-screen instructions and we enter our data into the curly brackets. Our observed values go into the first set, the expected values go into the second set, and we separate each number using a space. Now we also need to set our significance level. Here we have our significance level set at 5%. And we have to indicate whether we're conducting a one-tail test or a two-tail test. Now a chi-square test is a one-tail test, so it won't make a difference whether we choose one-tail or two-tail. So once we do this, we then go over to categorical. We click on categorical, and then we run the chi-square goodness of fit test. After we click that, we see this readout. So here we can see the type of test, a chi-square goodness of fit test, the hypotheses, the null, and the alternative. And then we also see the observed values and the expected values, as well as the totals for the observed and expected values. And if we scroll down further, here we see the degrees of freedom. We have 11 degrees of freedom. We see the calculations that go into getting the chi-square value of 21.6. And we also see the critical chi-square value, above which we would reject the null hypothesis. We see our p-value. And because our p-value is less than 5%, we see that the decision made is to reject the null hypothesis at the 5% significance level.